Reduced syllabus of class 9 mathematics part 3. In part 1 and 2 we have seen from chapter number 1 to 5 that we have seen in part 1 and chapter number 6 to 10 that we have seen in part 2, in which what are the topics which are reduced from the syllabus for this academic year 2020-21 by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board we have already discussed. Now here we are moving with part 3, in which we will see which are the topics which are excluded and what are the topics included in chapter number 11 to 15 of class 9th mathematics. So let us begin with it. Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav and stay with my channel. You can see the educational videos related to maths and science, the details, as well as some of the important topics which are related to education are trying to cover in my channel. So you can see all those topics on my channel. Subscribe my channel for the future updates to understand maths, science, as well as other subjects. That is what I am trying to teach you and the important topics too. Let us begin here with part 3. If you have not seen part 1 and 2, then I'll give you the link in the description so you will be able to see part 1 and part 2. Here in this part 3, we'll discuss class 9 mathematics reduced syllabus by Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board from chapter number 11 to chapter number 15. So let us begin with it. I'm sharing you the screen along with you, in which you will be able to see. Let us talk more detail about it. That we will begin with chapter number 11. We have discussed in part 2 from chapter 6 to 10. This is chapter number 11. Chapter number 11 is construction, in which 11.1 introduction part on page number 188 is included. On page number 189, 11.2 basic construction, how to create the bisector, how to create the bisector of the angle, how to create the different angles, how to create the perpendicular bisector to the line segment. This kind of constructions are included in the syllabus. Page number 189, construction 11.1 along with the step of construction are, that is this included. I have already shown how to draw the angle bisector in my channel. You will learn what I have done in the construction. You will be doing along with me, then you can solve this construction easily and you should get 4 marks along with the step of construction easily. Page number 190, construction 11.2, to construct the perpendicular bisector to a given line segment. Most important construction you have to prepare. 191, construction 11.3, in which 60-degree angle you have to prepare. That is also included. So construction 11.1, 11.2, 11.3 are included, and this whole exercise 11.1 is included, in which you have to prepare angle 90, angle 45, 30, 12 and a half, 15 degree, 75, 105, 135, and construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. All this construction I have already shown on my channel. You should search along with my channel name. You will be able to get these constructions. On same page number 191, 11.3, some constructions of triangles. This is entire topic excluded, as I have mentioned here also. Some constructions of the triangles is excluded. Page number 192, construction 11.4, to construct a triangle excluded. 193, construction 11.5, construct triangle with a given measure excluded. Page number 194, construction 11.6 excluded. 195, page number example 1 is also excluded, as well as entire exercise 11.2, means all the construction 1 to 5 are excluded from the syllabus. So you have to prepare only the simple angle, to make the angle, perpendicular bisector of the line segment, and bisector of the angle. Those kind of construction only you have to prepare for this examination. Chapter 12, Heron's formula, page number 197, 12.1 introduction part is included. In construction chapter, as I have mentioned, you can see it again. 11.3, some construction of triangles is excluded, in which construction 11.4, 11.5, 11.6 and example 1 is excluded. along with exercise 11.2 whole exercise is excluded. Heron's formula, chapter 12, introduction part 12.1 included. Page 199, 12.2, area of triangle by Heron's formula included. 201, example 1 included. Example 2 included on the same page. Page 202, example 3 included. Exercise 12.1 whole exercise is included in the syllabus. So nothing is excluded up till this page number 202, somewhat 203. But 12.3 application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals. This entire topic is excluded. Means whatever the things are there in this particular point is excluded. It means on the same page number 203, example 4 is excluded. 204 page number example 5 excluded. 205 example 6 excluded. And 206 exercise 12.2 whole exercise is excluded. As you can see under this topic 12.3 example 4, 5, 6 exercise 12.2 whole exercise is excluded. So this is all about chapter number 12. Let us go for chapter number 13. This is more lengthy chapter because there are so many exercises and so many different formulas. You have to prepare all the formulas from this chapter. It would be useful to you for standard 10 also. Chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Page 208, 13.1 introduction part included. 13.2 surface area of cuboid and cube, in which 211 example 1 is included. 212 example 2 included. Formulas are given on 210 page. That also you have to prepare for solving the sums. Exercise 13.1, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are included on page number 213. While on same page number 213, in exercise 13.1, 6, 7 and 8, that is 6 to 8, all the sums are excluded. So in this 13.1, you have to prepare 1 to 5, 6, 7 and 8 are excluded. Page number 214, 13.3, surface area of right circular cylinder. Prepare the formula. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH, 215. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. 216 page number example 3 is included. Exercise 13.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are included. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on page number 217 is excluded. Exercise 13.2, sum 6 to 11 are excluded. 217 page itself, 13.4, surface area of right circular cone. The formula is given, curved surface area of a cone 1/2 into L 2 pi r, it means pi RL. Total surface area of cone pi RL plus pi r square, it means pi r into bracket L plus r. Page number 220. On same page example 4, 5 and 6 are included. Page number 221, exercise 13.3, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are included. And on the same page, question number 6 to 8 of exercise 13.3 is excluded from the syllabus. 222. It's a very nice number, page number 222. 13.5, surface area of sphere. Formula is given on 223, surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. 224 page number, curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. And on the same page 224, example 7, 8, 9 and 10 are also included. Page number 225, exercise 13.4, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are included. 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded from 13.4 also. 6 to 9 are excluded. Sorry, 6 to 9 are excluded from 13.4. So you have to prepare 1 to 5 questions from exercise 13.4. 226, 13.6, volume of a cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to base area into height, that is length into breadth into height. Volume of the cube is equal to age into age into age, that we know a cube. Page 2 to 7, example 11 is included. 2 to 8, example 12 is included. Exercise 13.5, page number 228. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are included. While in 13.5, some numbers 6 to 9 are excluded from the syllabus. So you have to prepare 1 to 5 questions from exercise 13.5 also. On same page 13.7, volume of cylinder, that 2 to 9, volume of cylinder pi r square h, formula is there. Example 13 and example 14 on same page 2 to 9 is included. 230 page number, exercise 13.6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions are included. While 13.6 exercise 6, 7 and 8, 13.6, 6, 7 and 8 are excluded from the syllabus. Page 231, 13.8, volume of right circular cone. 232, volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. On same page, example 15, example 16 are included. 233 page number, exercise 13.7, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are included. 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded. It means in 13.7 also 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded from the syllabus. Page 234, 13.9, volume of sphere. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. 235 page number, example 17, 18, 19 are included. Page 236, exercise 13.8, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are included. While exercise 13.8, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are excluded. So 6 to 10 of exercise 13.8 is excluded from the syllabus. On same page, exercise 13.9 is optional exercise which we are not included. And on page number 237, summary, that all formulas are given in summary that you have to prepare. It is most important for you. So if you will see in this chapter 13, surface area and volume, all the examples you have to prepare, but few sums from exercises are reduced. That is sum 6 to 8 of exercise 13.1 excluded. Sum 6 to 11 of exercise 13.2 excluded. Sum 6 to 8 of exercise 13.3 excluded. Sum 6 to 9 of exercise 13.4 excluded. Sum 6 to 9 of exercise 13.5 excluded. Sum 6 to 8 of exercise 13.6 excluded. Sum 6 to 9 of exercise 13.7 excluded. And sum 6 to 10 of exercise 13.8 is also excluded. Let's go for the next chapter. That is chapter number 14, statistics. Page 238. 14.1 introduction part is included. 14.2 page 239 collection of data included. But on the same page, exercise 14.1 whole exercise is excluded. It is mentioned here. Then 240 page number 14.3 presentation of data. Example 1 and example 2 is included. 241 example 3 is also included. 242 example 4 is also included. 245 page number exercise 14.2 question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are included. And page number 246, sum 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded. It is mentioned here, exercise 14.2, sum number 6, 7, 8 and 9 are excluded. As this topic is later on but mentioned here, so it becomes little bit confusion. So I am going step by step, that is page by page, and mention you what are the topics which are included and which are excluded, so you can understand it easily. Page number 247, 14.4, graphical representation of data. This entire topic is excluded. So on same page 247, example 5 excluded, 248 example 6 excluded, 251 example 7 is excluded, 254 example 8 is excluded, 256 example 9 is excluded. It is mentioned here, that is example 5 to 9, all examples are excluded. 1 to 4 are included, 5 to 9 are excluded. Page number 258, entire exercise 14.3 is excluded. Means you need not to prepare for the graph in this particular chapter. Page number 261, 14.5, measures of central tendency, which is important even for 10th standard. So this topic is included. Page number 262, example 10 included. 263, example 11 included. Page number 266, example 12 included. Page number 267, example 13 and 14 are also included. Page 268, example 15 is also included. And 269, exercise 14.4, whole exercise is included. Means nothing is excluded over here. So in this chapter, exercise 14.1, whole exercise excluded. 14.4, graphical representation of data. This entire topic is excluded, in which it contains example 5 to 9, and 14.3, whole exercise excluded. While in 14.2, questions 6, 7, 8, and 9 are excluded from the examination. Chapter number 15, that is probability. As this chapter is quite easy and important for standard 10th also, nothing is excluded from this chapter. It means the entire chapter is included in the examination. That is probability. Even it is easy for the student. You can prepare and get full marks from this chapter number 15. So here in this video, we have discussed from chapter number 11 to chapter number 15, what are the topics included and what are the topics excluded. I hope you understand. So in part 1 to 3, that is 1, we have discussed chapter number 1 to 5, what are the topics included and excluded. In part 2, we have seen from chapter 6 to chapter 6 to chapter 10, which are the topics included, which are the topics excluded. In part 3, we have discussed from chapter number 11 to chapter number 15, in which topics are included and which are the topics excluded. So this is all for the English medium students. I have tried to translate it, but you can see it along with the original document, which is in the Gujarati. I have tried my level best to give you the brief idea about it. I hope you understand which syllabus is reduced and what you have to prepare for the examination, what not to prepare for the examination. But for your knowledge clarification, you have to prepare everything. This is, I would like to say, because this would be useful for you in 10th and 11th standards also. I hope it is clear for you. Share with your friends so they can also get the advantage of it. Thank you so much.